Hello friends, I will show you how to create team and how to create channel in this video. So see, go to teams option, okay, which is there on left hand side of this Microsoft team panel, and then click on join or create team. Getting, so click on this button, then create new team. So we'll create team for our department. So create team and then select class. Okay, so I'm creating team for our department, so I will mention CSIT faculty team. CSIT faculty team. Then you can, as per your this one requirement, you can give description and just click on next button. Okay, so it will create team, and then now you need to add the members of this team. So it is easy one, it is simple one, so it will take some time. Now this you need to do for this one class as well. Getting, suppose there is a second year class, so same thing you should follow for second year class. So right now we are interested in faculty, we are forming the team of faculty. So here don't select student, select teacher. But suppose you are creating team for this one class, that is second year, then in that case there may be students as well as faculties. Getting, faculty who are teaching to second year class and the students of that second year class. Getting, in that case select student and just search your students here. Now right now I am interested in teachers, so select here. So sir, then Mane sir, then Savita Patil madam, then Ashwini Patil madam, then Pragati Sawant madam, then Gauri sir, then Manoj Patil sir, then Mohsin sir, then Rankhambe madam, then myself. Getting, so I will be organizer, so in that case I will not add my name. Getting, so see there are 9 faculties. Okay, so this will be part of this team, so just click on add button. So just check, is there anyone remaining? No, I think so. Just click on this add button, so these members will be part of this team. Okay, and then just click on close button. So this is the simple step for creating the team. Getting, now we have created team, so by default this general channel will be created under this team. Now see, team is what it is, a similar to class. For example, second year, and for second year there will be multiple courses, so those courses will be channel. Getting, so in the same way, whenever we create any team, by default channel is general channel. For example, suppose you want to upload some notices, common notices. Getting, then you can have those notices in this general channel. For example, there is a secondary team, and this general will be the general channel. That means under which you can have the all the notices which are common to all courses. That means there will be this one unit test getting in second week for all these courses. So those notices, those common notices you can have add in this general channel. Getting, so right now suppose I want to add the channel for our meeting. So what I will do, just click in this. Getting, click on this team, because I want this team to be part, or I want to create getting meeting, and for that meeting all the members of this team will be present. Getting, so for that case, in that case I will create the channel. See, so flow will be first, there will be team, and under team there will be channel. So see, my channel will be department meeting. So in our actual case there will be course name will be the channel name. Getting, and now here see what you can do, there are 2 options. Either you can make visible this channel to all people of that team, or you can also what you can say, specifically you can mention the team members to whom this particular channel will be visible. So right now we want to show this particular channel to all the members of team. So I'm selecting the first option and then click on add button. Click on add button. Okay, so see, two things I have done. I have created first team, getting, and I have added the department faculty members in that team, and then I have created the channel, getting. So channel is nothing but department meeting. This is not actual meeting, this is just a channel, this is just a task, getting. Now suppose I want to schedule a meeting, getting. So I need to go to calendar option, getting, and then here I will click on schedule meeting. So now I can give department meeting as my option. Department meeting for suppose planning next semester activities. This will be title you can give, and here see, I will not give attendees because I have already created the team for that, getting. So suppose tomorrow there will be a meeting, so I will select tomorrow, and suppose at 10 a.m. there will be meeting, 10 a.m. and suppose this meeting will be there for 1 hour, getting. So as per your requirement you can mention this, and then now you can add the channel. So what is channel? CSIT faculty team, getting. CSIT faculty team, getting. CSIT faculty team, so that is team, and under that we have channel department meeting, getting. So department meeting, so there should be team first and then channel. So every channel should be part of some team. Then you can add location, for example RIT or something like that, and then some description. Just save this. Okay, so you can see inside calendar the meeting is scheduled for 21. Now see, here under 21, that is for tomorrow, meeting is scheduled, getting. So just if you want to join this meeting, there are multiple options. All the members can join to Microsoft Team, and they can go to calendar and 21, and they can click here, okay, and they can join this meeting. Okay, now suppose as I am organizer of this meeting and I want to send the invitation, so just go here, and here see, you can right click on this meeting option and just copy this link, okay, and just send this link to faculties, getting. So and just invitation. So like this you can send the invitation. Okay, this is simple step for conducting the meeting. So I have shown you, see, how to create team, how to create channel, and how to schedule a meeting, getting. So now department faculty will receive that mail, that invitation link through my mail, and by clicking on that also they are able to join the meeting, getting. That is one option. Second is they can log in into Microsoft Team option. They can visit calendar, and under 21, that is 21 July, they can find the this one, what you can say, meeting, scheduled meeting. Okay, so just they can click on that scheduled meeting option and they can join the meeting, getting. But only when only I am starting that meeting, then only they will get the that particular meeting getting started. Okay, so before that 10 they will not join that meeting. They will get the message that is wait for some time or something, getting. So as I am organizer, so I should start that meeting, then only other members will join that particular meeting.